friend, welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome to my new video. And please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. And in this video, tell about how to stop your TV from randomly turning out itself on or off. In this video, complete knowledge of a TV from randomly turn off itself on of your and this benefit and this disadvantages advantages and disadvantages complete knowledge of in this video. And please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. And this video is very knowledgeable, and this video share your some friends, and some share your some relatives. And this video come watch a complete, I suggest are personally please watch my complete video. And again on complete knowledge, and do not skip your video. And do not tap plus my video. Please watch a complete video. In this video I tell to say how to stop your TV from randomly turning itself on off your. Has your smart TV been unexpectedly turning itself on or off? It probably setting a data need to be it works in the television means. Here what do you can do this fix problem. Take a comment. You are working up the sound of voice talking in the living room. You grape, you have sister frying a pan and a snake in only to find the TV on with no one watching. Do not worry, it is probably not a ghost. If the TV is turning itself on one on with or no one watching, do not worry, it is probably not a ghost. If the TV is turning itself on or off randomly, it is probably another piece of tech interfering with it. Similar there may until be some setting you need to change or hardware connection to switch, but you do not need get a new TV. Here is how to troubleshoot the problem and find a solution. Plug your TV and plug into the wall. As with all technology, try turning it off and once again before doing any else, except in this case plug and the TV completely. Hold the power button from 10 seconds, and then plug it back to see the if the problem previously. If you have television, plug as just protector. Try uploading from there and stick if directly into a wall outlet to remove that has potential variable. If it was already plugged into the wall, try another outlet. Ideal on flat is not connected to switch. You may also want to plug if into surgery protector. In this case, turn off HDMI CEC. If I were a betting man, I did put money on HDMI to SEC. Beginning the here consumer electronics control is ECEC is a future that allow your device to control each other HDMI. For example, when you turn on your PlayStation, is ECE can automatically turn off turn the TV on. The switch is to correct input without you have to grab the remote. I can be a very convenient future when it work as intent. However, when it misbehave, it mean your TV will turn on and off your miscellaneous signals. Open the TV setting menu and disable ECEC to see it solve to the problems. To problems, I may be called something different. Departs on your TV manufacturer. Sorry, calls it Bravia as snaps. Something calls it anyone. Any net plus and LG calls is simplink. You may have to search around to see what the TV what the setting is called on your TV. If the fix issue, but still fix, but you still want to SCEC you will have to disable the future of another connected device until you find that the one that is sending out the signal that wake up the TV, and in constant times disconnect from Wi-Fi and only to smart future in the TV can often make the scene a little dump. If your TV is connected to other smart home device like smart things, Alexa, Google Home, uh, Hammerly, it is possible some routine of automatically power the TV on or off your accident. I hope you watch a complete video, and thank you so much watching for my video, and I wait for our next video.